In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off easy mode. Start by opening settings and scrolling to click on this section called accessibility and convenience. Then scroll again to tap on simple mode and hit enter simple mode to activate it. As you can see, after a few seconds, easy mode was successfully enabled. To disable it, you need to close settings in the background and go into settings here. Now scroll down to choose exit simple mode and confirm your choice by hitting exit at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!